our city. Young, vibrant, diverse, and ambitious, just like us.
To jest nasze miasto i zawsze było piękne i pełne życia.
Our city survived its own death, rising like a phoenix when the ashes of its burned out streets.
Among its rubble, young people who had endured 5 years of brutal oppression at the hands of Nazi German occupiers fought for their freedom in a doomed struggle that lasted 63 tragic days.
Young people who were not allowed to go to school.
Young people who were not allowed to be themselves.
Young people who had their childhood stolen from them.